We're stopping for gas at Love's, and it is $3.19 per gallon. This is the first gas stop. We're also using the restroom. We're almost to Vegas. We're about 2 hours away from Vegas, and then we're gonna stop to eat it on the border. We decided, since we're passing Hoover Dam on our way home, that we might as well stop and check it out. So we're at the security stop point right now. We've parked. That's the dam right there. That's crazy. Look at that dam. That's so cool. Look, I found a lizard friend. He's enjoying the views of Hoover Dam. Pedestrians aren't allowed, but it doesn't say anything about lizards. Guys, look, it's Las Vegas, Nevada. On the border, yay! Veggie fajitas! I'm so excited! We've been driving for some time now. I took a nap. It's been a long road trip, but it was worth it for all that we got to see, right? Now we've stumbled upon, wait for it, the world famous Clown Motel. This is what the full sign looks like. Every room has its own fun little door. Super, super cute. Little sketchy, but that's fine. Welcome to the Clown Motel. It's world famous. I've never been in there, and the vibe in there is definitely creepy. The lady who works in there was saying that room 211 is haunted, but she feels that it's just visited by the cemetery, which is just located right next to us, which I'll show you. But now I'm curious as to where 211 is. This is 207, 204, 203, so it probably goes this way. Let's go see. There it is, 211. She says around 1 or 2 a.m. every morning you can hear a music box playing, which is so creepy. There's the haunted room, room 211. All the doors are just so cutely decorated. It's honestly really cute. She also said that there was a movie here and that they used room 211 as the room where they had all the cameras and everything set up. And then, conveniently placed right next to this just wonderful haunted hotel is a cemetery. We love that. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. We actually walked through here at night once when we were driving to Vegas, and that was even scarier. I was like, why is there a cemetery? The Tonopah Cemetery, located right next to the Clown Motel for your experience. Look at all the cars. There's actually quite a few people here moseying about, checking it out. Some people are even staying here, which is crazy. We're still driving, but there's a beautiful sunset for us to